Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix recent call history not showing on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Check notification settings. For that, go to the settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on notifications. In notification settings, you need to scroll down and tap on phone app. Here you will see a toggle next to allow notification. You should tap it to turn it on. Next, check the boxes for lock screen, notification centers and banners. Solution 2. Set date and time. For that, launch the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on general settings. Next, you need to scroll down and tap on date and time. Here you need to turn off set automatically. Now tap on time zone and make sure your time zone is correct. Solution 3. Turn off Do Not Disturb. To turn off Do Not Disturb, open the control center on your iPhone. Then tap on focus icon you can see in the middle of screen. Here make sure Do Not Disturb is not turned on. Solution 4. Select the correct region. For that, go to the settings application on your iOS device. In the settings menu, tap on general settings. In general settings, scroll down and tap on language and region. On the next page, tap on region. You can see in the middle of screen. Here you need to select the correct region. If your iPhone is already set to the correct region, select a different region and then switch back to the correct one to see if that fixes the problem. Solution 4. Check all missed call option. For that, go to the phone app on your iOS device. Then tap on recent at the bottom of the page. Here you need to check the all missed call option once.